Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best drain snakes for home use that are available on the market for their true quality. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. Coming in at number 5, we have the Domjo 79-inch drain snake. This tool is designed for light-duty household use, and its standout feature is its incredible reach, up to 79 inches. Made from high-toughness spring steel, this drain snake is flexible enough to navigate straight and slightly curved pipes, making it ideal for retrieving hair, food debris, or even small objects from kitchen sinks, bathtubs, and bathroom drains. The claw mechanism at the tip is controlled by a simple press-and-release handle, giving you precise control over what you grab. While the design is lightweight and easy to use, the build quality reflects its focus on light-duty tasks. It's not meant for industrial pipes or heavy stubborn clogs. However, for minor clogs or object retrieval, especially in homes with kids and pets, this is a solid choice. The operation is straightforward, no tools required, making it a hassle-free solution for quick fixes around the house. The Domjo drain snake is perfect for anyone who needs an affordable, simple tool for everyday drain maintenance. However, its limitations in handling tough, hardened clogs and narrow pipes are worth noting. If you're dealing with more intensive clogs, you may want to look at other options on this list. Overall, it's a great budget pick for light-duty use. At number 4, we have the FlexiSnake Drain Weasel, which is a fantastic option for those dealing with regular hair clogs. This 18-inch drain snake features a unique 360-degree rotating handle and micro hooks that effectively lock onto hair, filth, and grime. One of its standout features is its disposable wand system, which makes cleanup super easy. Just toss the used wand and replace it with one of the included refills. The design is incredibly user-friendly. With its quick connect handle and lightweight build, you can tackle clogs in sinks, showers, and tubs with minimal effort. However, it's not designed for deeper pipes or heavy-duty tasks. The material is primarily plastic, so while it's effective for hair and light debris, it lacks the durability needed for more challenging clogs. That said, its compact size and ease of use make it perfect for quick maintenance in bathrooms. The FlexiSnake is an excellent choice for households where hair clogs are a frequent issue. It's also a great option for those who want a mess-free experience, thanks to its disposable wands. On the downside, it's not reusable beyond the handle, which may add up in cost over time. But if convenience and simplicity are your priorities, the FlexiSnake is hard to beat. Taking the number 3 spot is the DrainSoon 25 feet drain auger. This is a heavy-duty option designed for more stubborn household clogs. With 25 feet of durable carbon steel cable, it can reach deep into pipes to tackle clogs caused by grease, food debris, and hair. Its ergonomic pistol grip and stop screw make it easy to control, while the durable ABS drum housing ensures it's built to last. One of the standout features of the DrainSoon is its ability to adjust the cable length to suit different depths of drain pipes, making it highly versatile. It's best suited for kitchen sinks, bathtubs, and bathroom drains, but it's not recommended for toilets due to its cable thickness. The included gloves are a nice touch, ensuring your hands stay clean during use. Beginners will appreciate the detailed operating instructions that make it easy to get started. If you're looking for a reusable, cost-effective solution for moderate to heavy clogs, the DrainSoon is a great pick. However, it does require a bit more effort to operate compared to lighter-duty options. Overall, it's an excellent investment for homeowners who want a reliable, long-lasting tool for regular drain maintenance. At number 2, we have the BaseU Drain Auger, an advanced option for those who want both manual and powered capabilities. This 25-foot plumbing snake is made from high-quality 72A min steel and comes with a drill adapter for tackling tough clogs. The large crank knob and ergonomic grip handle make manual use simple, while the drill adapter adds extra power for stubborn blockages. The design is compact and durable thanks to its ABS drum housing, which keeps the cable tidy and protected. It's versatile enough for kitchen sinks, bathtubs, and floor drains. But like the DrainSoon, It's not intended for use in toilets. The included gloves are another thoughtful addition, making the process cleaner and safer. A key advantage is the flexibility of the spring, which can navigate tight bends without damaging your pipes. The BaseU Drain Auger is perfect for homeowners who want a professional-grade tool for occasional clogs. Its dual manual and powered operation make it a strong contender, especially for more challenging tasks. That said, it may be overkill for lighter clogs, and it requires a drill for powered use. Nevertheless, its performance and build quality make it a worthwhile investment. And finally, taking the top spot at number 1 is the Keyfar 9-piece Drain Clog Remover Set. This comprehensive kit comes with a 35.5-inch metal clog remover, 6 25-inch drain hair remover snakes, and 2 cleaning brushes, offering unmatched versatility and value. The metal clog remover features a claw that can grab blockages deep inside pipes, while the plastic drain snakes are perfect for pulling out hair and debris from sinks and tubs. The cleaning brushes are bendable, making them ideal for scrubbing the inner walls of pipes. The build quality is impressive, with durable and eco-friendly materials that are designed to last. The plastic snakes are flexible enough to navigate complex pipes, and the metal claw is strong enough to tackle tough clogs. The entire kit is reusable, making it an eco-conscious and budget-friendly option. Best of all, it's easy to use. Just insert, rotate, and pull out the blockage. The Keyfar set is ideal for anyone who wants an all-in-one solution for maintaining their drains. Whether you're dealing with hair clogs, grease buildup, or general maintenance, this kit has you covered. Its versatility, ease of use, and affordability make it the best overall choice for homeowners. The only downside is that it may not be as specialized as some of the other options on this list, but its comprehensive approach more than makes up for it. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.